supposed to have many problems, maybe related to work, maybe related to their choice of work, or number of hours of problems, more hours, more workload, right? Promotional problems, payment problems. So all these problems can be addressed with a personal manager. Okay? They're ready to listen to your problems, they try to solve out. What they have a system is transparency. Everyone is equal. Whoever works for the organization is given more importance. That is an approach. Then there is a works committee. Hello, to all of you, in many countries, the workers, employees have unions. Even US, they have unions. Employees will form unions. They will represent their problems. Okay? In India also, there is a more democratic country. They have a unions. In this organization, though 1,500 employees are there, there is no union. Okay? Having a union in the organization is a headache to the HR managers because they have to listen to them because they are representing the mob, people. Whereas this organization doesn't have a unionism. Unionism is a headache many a times. 90% of the cases, unionism is a headache. Okay? So this organization, though it has 1,500 employees, I have seen some organization where 1,000 people are there, there are 3 unions. Even 500 employees are there, there are 2 unions. Though this company has 1,500 employees, it doesn't have any unions. The reason is they formed a committee called Works Committee. Workers 10 people, management 10 people sit together and sort out the problems. They have a Works Committee representing the workmen as well as the management. Every month they will sit and try to solve out their problems. It eliminated, it has prevented the unionism in the organization. Then, next, employee handbook. Talab, tomorrow you are going to work with some of the good companies. You please check any company that has an employee handbook, that's the best company. More or less, you can rate them. They are not hiding anything. They are not hiding anything. You understand? They are not hiding. They are giving a policy handbook to every employee so that they will read and they will ask, sir, I have not been given this benefit. Okay? I have to get medical insurance. I have not got it because you have said already in this employee handbook. Okay? They will check and they can ask. The company has given employee handbook. He shared with me, the personal manager shared with me. Sir, if we give employee handbook, they will not disturb us. If we don't give information, they will come and ask you. They will come and ask you. If we give information, there is no need of coming and asking of the queries, doubts. That can be avoided. So what I am saying is, employee handbook is there, it is not confidential. Wherever there is a confidential, there will be chances for corruption. You understand my point here? Wherever chance of corruption, that means corruption, all these things, confidentiality, it goes hand in hand many times. Where there is a chance for not revealing information, the people try to manipulate this information for the money. Understand? Okay. There is a leadership podium. The organization has decided that the board of directors are the top management. And above that, MD is there. Every employee is provided an opportunity to give his idea. What I was trying through innovations is similar to this leadership lab, where if you have a good idea to minimize the cost of production, to maximize the production, if you have a good idea, you can share with, you can write your idea and you can give it to us. The committee will give you a chance to express your ideas to us. There will be a committee, expert committee, who will listen to you, your ideas. If your ideas are good, if the organization is going to implement the idea, you will be given some benefit of 10% of the benefits that is on the idea. Please note down this. You have given an idea to reduce the expenditure, right? If the expert committee, if they take up this idea, and if the idea is going to be implemented, if the company is going to save, let us say 1 lakh riyals that company is going to save. So in the 10% means 10,000 riyals will go to the person who contributed this idea. That means benefit should go to the people who have contributed their ideas. And yes. So ideas are invited from throughout the organization. This is what I am trying to say here. Leadership podium. That means everybody has a chance to contribute his idea so that they will also be benefited, organization also will be benefited. Both. Then communicating. How they communicate with employees. They supply information by written, by mails. But many a times what they use is, many a times the organizations like artificial, or the organization which doesn't have a human touch, they say that the directors have, they say the directors have communicated this information. But this organization has a reverse idea, is a good idea. What it says is, your directors. See the difference. Saying as an official, saying as your directors. Definitely, the employees also feels that, yes, my directors are saying this. Otherwise, there is a communication that the director says this, you implement it. Don't feel attachment here. Understand? They try to create an attachment with the company by saying giving a human touch in the communication, in information sharing also. You're all one, you're all in my family. Like this they create a feeling. Then the ultimate belief on management on people is, their belief on people is, people will take care of the growth once they are taken care of. All of you read this powerful statement of a personal manager. He told me, sir, we have a belief. People will take care of our growth, that means organizational growth, if they are taken care of. If we take care of them, they will take care of us. Understand? Yes. It is not one way. It's a two-way. I will take care of you, you will take care of us. Okay? Now, see the impact. These are all some of the good practices which I have seen in a company called Meda Servo Drives. Hello. You see the impact now. Just read it. You yourself can read. Shall I make big one, larger one? Your slides will have this type of things. That is why I am showing to you.
Yeah, I should.
You see, what is the impact of these good practices? I will give 2 minutes time, just read it. Sorry?
Yes.
Read it.
This is what we should collect information from.
What is the impact of these practices? So far what I have shared is HR practices. What is the impact on the organization? First, see here. People are contented. Content means satisfied. Shafkala. People are satisfied. They are not with azeen, unhappy. No. They are